To perform the hanging knee raise, you have to start in an active hang, which means that your core and your lats are engaged with a nice strong grip on the bar. Then you're going to drive your knees up into your chest with a really strong contraction of the core and feel that momentum as you come down and pull on that swing. Control your breathing and control your swing so that your abdominal muscles are working hard and you're staying in control the whole time. Repeat with great form through all program repetitions. The hanging knee raise is an amazing exercise that challenges your grip strength, your core stability, and your coordination. All you need is a bar and gravity. We're gonna hop up here and see how it goes. Start your hanging knee raise in a nice active hang. So your core is really strong, your lats are engaged just like Katie is here. You can tell it's an active hang because her feet are forward rather than behind her. She's gonna start with a strict hanging knee raise by driving her knees up and controlling the lift the whole time. She's got her core engaged, she's breathing really well, she's got a really strong grip. Now she's gonna do some with momentum. And the momentum lets her swing her knees just a little higher, and it's actually a lot more challenging to control the power of this movement rather than just doing the strict one. But make sure you master the strict ones first. Man, you make these look easy. Nicely done.